Here are the 3 frugal hacks that will save you more cash than a cattle rustler on payday. But first, hit that subscribe button if you want to save more money in a fastest way. First up, brew your own coffee at home. Why? 'Cause paying $7 for fancy foam in a cup is like buying a horse that can't even run. Second, meal prep. Cook once, eat twice. Kinda like riding one horse to 2 saloons. Less spending, less wasting. Are you learning so far? Stay tuned because the number 3 frugal hacks will make your pocket full. And third, cut them subscriptions you don't use. If you ain't watched that streaming service since Clint Eastwood was young, cancel it faster than a duel at high noon. So hit that subscribe button, partner, 'cause I drop money-saving gold nuggets every week, and you don't want to miss the next one that could keep your pockets fuller than a Texas barbecue plate. Now giddy up and subscribe.